Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make microwaveable potato chips. So let's start. So we need a washed and peeled potato and we need a mandolin. Make sure the potatoes are cut paper thin. Soak the potato slices in cold water. We need a paper towel. Lay your potatoes on the paper towel and pat dry. And we will need olive oil or vegetable oil. We are going to add about 1 tablespoon. We just want to grease each piece. And I'm going to add just 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we need a plate with parchment paper on top. Lay the potatoes on the parchment paper. Do not overlap them. Microwave the potatoes for 2 minutes. Now we will flip them over. Continue to microwave the chips for 2 minutes until golden and crispy. Make sure you check the chips every 2 minutes to ensure they don't get burnt. These are done, set aside. Let's make our seasoning for our chips. So we need half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of seasoning salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And just mix. So we are going to sprinkle some seasoning on top of our chips and toss them. And look how crispy they are. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. And enjoy!